You're looking for a side hustle that doesn't take too much time and doesn't require a huge startup cost. This is the easiest side hustle you can do today and scale to make thousands of dollars a month. So let's get into it. Now the side hustle I'm going to be going over is advanced dropshipping. Now a lot of you guys might be thinking, oh, isn't dropshipping dying? Isn't dropshipping dead? And to be honest, it definitely has been saturated over the years. However, if you can find the right way to do it, you can still make a lot of money online. And the best part, it only takes 3 simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Step 1 is to find the product you can sell. Now there are 5 different ways of doing it and I'll go over each one. The first method is what most dropshippers do and go to Alibaba.com to find something that they can mass sell. So when going on to Alibaba, you can go to all categories and see all these different products they're selling. So for example, let's go home and garden. Now the difficult part of this is knowing exactly what sells well and what doesn't. So as you can see, there are so many different products here that you can choose from. And look at this one, it's only 98 cents per piece, but you need 100 pieces. Now you might be thinking, how do I know which one of these sells well? And this is where the advanced dropshipping comes in. Now the next few methods of finding a product helps you find a winning product, a product that will sell great. So the second one is to go on TikTok and search hashtag TikTok made me buy it. Now after searching this, as you can see, all these different types of videos come up and you can see how many people are viewing these and liking these videos. For example, this one has 171,000 likes, and as you can see, it's just a spinning smartphone holder. Something super easy, and I'm sure you can find it online. Another one is this one. It looks like a dehumidifier, and you can just go scroll down, look for something that's got high views, high engagement, and you know it's a winning product. Now the third method of finding a winning product is simply using AI. Super simple, I'm sure all of you have used it. It is ChatGPT. So looking at my screen now, what can I help you with? So I've put the specific prompt on ChatGPT. You can either copy it here or I'll also put it in the description so you can simply copy and paste it. When we hit enter, ChatGPT will give you a list of products that will sell well. So as you can see, reusable silicone food storage bags, smart plugs and smart light bulbs, biodegradable phone cases, and so forth. So many different products that you can choose from. And now personally, this is the best way of finding winning products. It is to jump onto a website called Ecomhunt. So as you can see, this is Ecomhunt here. It is a free website that you just have to sign up for. Now upon signing up, you can hit Ecom Classic here and it'll give you a list of winning products that you can dropship to make money. So as you can see, we've got this LED turbo blower, this wooden pet cat hammock, so many different products as you can see here. Now the best part about this is you can click this button here, show me the money. Now after clicking on this page, it'll show you where exactly you can get these products from, how much you can sell it for, how much the product costs, and your profit margin. Now the profit margin of this is $24.73, and let's say you sell 100 of these, that is $2,473 in one day. As well as this, it'll show you online saturation analytics so you can see how saturated it is. If a product is too saturated, you probably want to avoid it. It'll also give you a product description, photos you can use, and my favorite part, if you scroll down here, it'll say Shopify Finder. It'll show you Shopify stores in different countries which are selling this. So I live in New Zealand, so as you can see, it looks like no stores in New Zealand or Australia are selling this pet cat hammock. So I could target this region with ads and sell this pet cat hammock and basically get all the marketing and customers from here to buy this product off me, giving me huge income. I've also put a link to Ecomhunt down in the description below so you can sign up and start finding winning products. Now that you found a winning product, step 2 is to make a store so you can sell these items. Now there are different e-commerce websites available where you can sell your products. This includes websites like WooCommerce, Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, Etsy, and so forth. Now for the sake of this video, I'm going to be going over my personal favorite one to use, which is Shopify. Shopify, in my opinion, is the most user-friendly and easiest to get started with. So without further ado, let's go. So I've opened up Shopify and this is what I'm seeing. Create your first online store. So obviously hit create store here. Now at the beginning, it'll ask you some very basic questions, so I'll just fill these out and get back to you soon. Now that I've signed into Shopify, it should take you to this homepage here. Now Shopify has so many customization options and I won't go through all of it in this video as it'll take way too long. However, I'll talk about the basics so you can get it set up and start dropshipping products. So as you can see, the first thing here is pretty much a setup guide which you can follow. So find products to sell, you can press browse product sourcing apps. Now there are these different dropshipping apps. I personally like using this one here, Zopi, which is AliExpress dropshipping. So you pretty much add it, hit install. So this is the Zopi dropshipping homepage through Shopify, as you can see here. Now there are again more products you can find. However, I already used Ecomhunt and found this cat hammock. So we're going to copy the URL here and paste it into here. And as you can see, the product comes up with all the price ranges, and now you just hit push to store and then push to store again. Now what that would do is if we go back to our Shopify page and hit products, it'll automatically be added as a product. And you can continue doing this and add tons of different products if your store has a niche. You can be selling kitchen gadgets and import so many different kitchen products, but for now, let's just use this one product. Now going back to the homepage of Shopify, as you can see, the next step is design your online store. In seconds, describe your product. So in this case, I'm just gonna go a cat hammock. Generate custom themes. Now, as you can see, these are some recommended themes. I like this one quite a bit, so I'm gonna hit try theme here. This is the home page and it's already looking pretty good. And as you can see, our product has already been imported here, so it's really easy. Obviously, I'm gonna make this a little bit nicer and get back to you guys soon, so give me a second. So, all right, so I've done this very quickly, but I basically added a video, and if you scroll down, it'll go right into the product. Now, obviously, you wanna spend a bit more time on making the store look really good. If you do need some help making your Shopify store look really good, I'll attach a link down in the description so you can go check that out. All right, now that you have a winning product and you have a store selling your product, we're on to step 3, which is the most important step, which is marketing your product. Now, there are tons of different ways to market your product. However, in my opinion, this is the best way to do it, as it's the easiest and has gotten me great results in the past. It is by going onto this website called Viral Ecom Ads. This is a website where you can purchase viral ad creatives that are proven to convert. And as you can see, if you're a VIP member, you can get ads as low as $10. It's super easy to do. All you have to do is place your order, complete a form, and then you'll receive it within 24 hours. Now you might be thinking, what's the difference between getting paid ads and using viral ecom ads? Most of the time, the problem with paid ads is that people can instantly tell when something is a paid ad. Whereas viral ecom ads uses UGC organic content, which in turn makes your product not look like an ad, and therefore you'll get more sales. Now on this website, as you can see, there are so many case studies, 522 5-star reviews, all showing that the ads have worked tremendously for them. So in my opinion, this is the best method to do it. If you're wondering what these ads will look like, you can hit the example tab on their website and see all these different types of ads that they run. Now, as well as these ads, you also want to be posting on social media platforms such as TikTok and Instagram to grow your following and sell even more. In a nutshell, that is it. It is the simplest side hustle that you can start today and barely requires any startup cost. If you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comments down below, as I'll be replying to every single one. Also, if you're keen to learn more about side hustles, budgeting, and saving, check out WeMoney. WeMoney is a budgeting and saving app trusted by over 500,000 Kiwis and Aussies. It can help track your spending so you can see exactly where your money is going. There's a community page where people post different tips, and I even have my own personal page on there where I share exclusive side hustles and budgeting tips. I'll put a link down in the description below where you can sign up, and by signing up, we both get $5 to help with our saving journey. Hope this video helps. Let me know if you want a part 2 on how to scale your store even bigger. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.